Congratulations, Dr. Arnett.
Congratulations.
We can't wait to keep working with you.
Congratulations, Dr. Arnett.
We're excited you're here.
Congratulations.
We're excited to see the amazing job you'll do for our schools and for our community.
Thank you for that warm welcome. I'm Jeff Arnett, and I'm proud to be named the next superintendent of Eanes ISD. Our school district represents 150 years of quality education. We're the oldest continually operating public school in Texas is said to be here on our namesake campus, Eanes Elementary. This history of high standards and achievement inspires us to be our best for the students, families, and staff who choose to learn, live, and work here. I'm grateful to Dr. Tom Leonard for 8 years of tending the garden and guiding us through challenging conditions to maintain our position as a premier school district. I'm thankful to the Board of Trustees for an unwavering dedication to empower and prepare our students, your children, for a future where academic and emotional intelligence are essential. Public education in Eanes ISD is a shared investment that requires respect and listening, resilience and understanding. I look forward to conversations about furthering excellence for which our schools are so well known and finding equilibrium to unite our community during these interesting times. Leadership is not a reward, it's a responsibility. To outstanding students and parents, to staff of all areas and expertise, to generous partners, and to those who no longer have children in our schools. It will be my honor to serve and support, to include every person, every day, with humility and collaboration as your next superintendent of schools. Thank you.